then further there itself I get ready and freshen up myself and go back home by around 9:30, where I do my puja rituals daily, and then have my breakfast. And as I teach one of my students, so I teach him daily from 10 o'clock to 11. So at 9:30 I have my breakfast, and by 10 I reach here and teach him for 1 hour, and I reach back home by 11:15 around. And then usually I ask my mother that if there is any task need to be done, or if she needs to go to the market or any of that sort. If that is in the situation, then I help her out, and if not, then I take some rest. And then around 12 o'clock, then I revise my lessons. I have subscribed to the coaching classes that happens to be starting from 2 o'clock. So I revise the lessons from the previous class for 1 hour. Then around 1:15 around I have my lunch, and then sit for my coaching classes for 2 to 5 that happens online. And then after the coaching class, I freshen up myself, have some snacks, evening snacks. And then one of the duty that also has been allotted by my mother, and I take it as my responsibility, is the washed utensils need to be wiped with the clean cloth and need to be arranged in the kitchen. So I do that. And by that time, my father also arrives back at home. And during the evening, we go for a walk, or sometimes if he wants and we usually share, then we play badminton as well. And then after coming back, I freshen up myself, have my dinner with the family, and watch some TV. Then I go back to my room, study for my college studies, if there is any work need to be done, or then watch some YouTube videos to keep myself updated. And then I sleep around 10:30 p.m. And when it comes to my weekend routine, so my weekend routine is very similar, because my morning routine is quite the same swimming and running. But just when the student that I teach on the weekends, I teach him for 1.5 hours. So the half hours increases there. Then I come back and the same thing happens, and I have my lunch and attend my classes. But the different thing is that during the evening, on every Saturday, as I have a joint family and all my close relatives as well live in Bhopal, so every Saturday we have a get together. Either it is in our house or in my uncle aunt's house. It is planned accordingly. And if not that,
Okay, Mati, so you seem to be a very family-oriented type of person, but I find that your hobbies also keep you indoor and they are all by yourself. You don't like to associate yourself with friends and time spent with friends.
no sir, it is like that. When during the Sunday, sometimes I skip my running and go to cycling with my colony friends, or some of my school friends that I connect with. And it is like according to the schedule, because if my schedule matches with them and everything, then the plans are made accordingly, and then I go for the school class. And Sundays are like we plan some of the other outings with my friends, and usually the outings include going to the boat club, doing some bowling, or going to the Chapra club.
Okay, understood. So, Mansi, I